I recently came across a free profile account, a free funded account, and I have been able to get mine. And when I chatted with their support, I requested for the terms and conditions, and it was quite easy to meet, so I decided to share it with you guys. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get a Forex free funded account in 2025, which is also a free profile that is very easy to pass, right? And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like this video, share it to people that you feel might need it, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. So for you to get this free 10,000 account, you have to pass a trial, which is they'll be giving you a $100,000 account, and there's a terms and condition applied to that. So if given a 100,000 account, after passing that stage, then you'll be given the 10,000 free account. To pass the 100,000 account is very easy. I have been able to pass mine, and they've given me my 10,000 free funded account, and I am currently trading it, as you can see on the screen. So I'll be showing you how you can pass the 100,000 account so that you can be given the free $10,000 account. So make sure you follow me closely in this video as I show you the step-by-step process on how you can get this done. So for you to get this done, check the link in the description menu, click on it. It is going to take you to my Telegram channel. When you get to my Telegram channel, you'll find the link to this wonderful opportunity right there. Click on the link and it's going to take you to somewhere like this. So after getting here, you know the drill. Input your name, your email address, your password, and click I am not a robot, and then click on record. After that, it is going to take you to another page like this, and as you can see right here, you have to verify your email. So all you just have to do is to go to your Gmail, and you find something like this, a message like this, where you have to copy a pin and paste it right there where it's required. And after that, you click on next, right, and it's going to take you to another page. And after verifying your email address, it is going to take you to this place where you have to log in. So just input your email address and your password and click on login, and it's going to direct you to their homepage. Your homepage look exactly like this. So after getting here, as you can see on the screen, free trial 100k. Alright, so to get this right now, you just have to click on get right now, and it's going to take you to somewhere like this. As you can see right here, your account has been created successfully. So just click on OK. So just click on accept. Alright, and after that, click on this one active account right here at the top. If you click on it, you are going to find the login details to your MT4 app. We are using MT4, not MT5 this time around. So after finding that, go straight to your MT4 and search for the name Black Moon Trade Demo. After finding it, click on it and input your login details, which is your login ID and your password, and then click on login, and you're going to find your free $100,000 trial. So after you've gotten it, you have to start trading it, and for you to be able to pass this free trial, here are what you need to do. The maximum account you can have per user is 3 accounts, and the profit target is 4%. You have to make 4% of the 100,000, which is $4,000. The maximum total loss is 10%, and the maximum loss per day is 5%. After you've been able to meet these requirements, then you can be given the free 10,000 funded account. I have traded mine and I was able to pass the requirements, and after meeting the requirements, I got a message from them via my Gmail that I have passed it, and they gave me the free 10,000 US dollar free funded account. As you can see on the screen, this is the message I got from them, and after I got this message, I got my login ID to my MT4 account as well. Alright, so after I got this, I rushed to their site to check out the terms and conditions applied to be able to withdraw, to be able to pass this challenge, and I saw that the profit target is 8%, which is $800, and the maximum loss you can make is 10%, and the maximum daily loss is 5%. And after I saw that this challenge is very easy to pass, I asked their support for the profit split, and they said the profit split is 80-20, which means I'm going to be taking 80% of the profit I make, and they are going to be taking 20%. So this is this about this wonderful opportunity. I hope you're able to get yours. If not, let me know what's stopping you in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.